fantasy. I want to touch and feel my fantasy boy. Come on and step into my life. It's so much harder to survive without your love for me. You take me to eternity. I know someday we're gonna meet, fantasy boy. I feel your beat.